Bread pudding is the ultimate comfort dessert. Warm, simple, and satisfying. The best part? It uses leftover bread and basic kitchen staples. Today, we'll make it even easier by using an air fryer. The air fryer cooks fast, giving you a golden, crispy top and a creamy, custardy center in minutes. No need to preheat a big oven or wait long for dessert. This recipe is perfect for beginners and pros alike. All you need is an air fryer, a bowl, and a few ingredients. We'll walk through each step together so you can whip up a single serving treat anytime. The air fryer's magic is in the texture, a crunchy top with a soft, silky inside. It's a quick fix for dessert cravings or a special breakfast. Impress your family, or just yourself, with this easy, no-fuss recipe. Ready to turn old bread into something amazing? Let's get started and see how effortless delicious can be. You'll love the contrast of crispy and creamy in every bite. The air fryer keeps the custard smooth and prevents overcooking. Minimal effort, maximum flavor. This is bread pudding made simple. Grab your ingredients and let's make dessert in a flash. You'll never look at leftover bread the same way again. Let's dive in. Let's gather what you need, just a handful of ingredients. Grab 2 or 3 slices of day-old bread. Stale bread works best. You'll need 2 eggs for richness and binding. Add half a cup of milk, any kind you like, dairy or plant-based. 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar will sweeten things up. Use any bread you have, white, brioche, challah, or even croissants. The drier the bread, the better it soaks up the custard. Adjust sugar to taste, especially if your bread is already sweet. A little extra sugar for the top will give you a caramelized, crispy crust. That's it. No fancy ingredients required. This recipe is all about using what's on hand. Don't be afraid to experiment with different breads or milks. The simplicity is what makes this dessert so inviting. With just these basics, you're ready to create something special. Quick, easy, and budget-friendly. Gather your ingredients and let's move on to the next step. You'll be amazed at how much flavor comes from so little. Let's make the custard. Time to make the custard, the heart of bread pudding. Crack 2 eggs into a mixing bowl and whisk until smooth. Add your sugar and whisk again until it dissolves. Pour in the milk and mix until you have a pale, creamy liquid. That's your custard base, simple, sweet, and ready in minutes. No need for fancy techniques, just make sure everything's well combined. This mixture will soak into the bread, making it soft and luscious. The smoother your custard, the better your pudding's texture. Taste and adjust sugar if you like it sweeter. Your custard is ready. Now let's get the bread involved. This step is quick but crucial for that classic pudding flavor. With the custard done, you're halfway to dessert. Next, we'll soak the bread and bring it all together. Let's keep going. Tear your bread into bite-sized pieces, no knife needed. Drop the pieces into the custard and gently press them down. Make sure every piece is soaked. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. The bread should absorb most of the liquid and look thick and moist. Stir gently to ensure even soaking. If there's still liquid at the bottom, wait a bit longer. This step guarantees a creamy, cohesive pudding. While it soaks, prep your air fryer dish. Once soaked, you're ready to cook. Lightly grease a small oven-safe dish for your air fryer. Spoon in the soaked bread mixture. Don't pack it too tight. Sprinkle a teaspoon of sugar on top for a golden, crispy crust. Place the dish in your air fryer at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 177 degrees Celsius, for 15 minutes. No preheating needed, just set and go. The air fryer cooks the pudding quickly, giving you a puffed golden top. Check doneness by pressing the center. It should spring back. Let it cool for a few minutes before serving. It'll be hot. The aroma will fill your kitchen and build anticipation. Ready to serve? Let's finish strong. Serve your bread pudding warm straight from the ramekin. Dust with powdered sugar or add a scoop of vanilla ice cream for extra indulgence. The contrast of warm pudding and cold ice cream is irresistible. Drizzle with caramel, chocolate, or fruit sauce for more flavor. Sprinkle with nuts or a dash of cinnamon for crunch and warmth. This dessert is perfect for sharing or savoring solo. Quick, easy, and endlessly customizable. Try different toppings or breads to make it your own. Enjoy your homemade treat and the satisfaction of zero waste. Happy cooking! Enjoy every bite!